Hi, I'm Trixie A. Malabon, and today I'll share my personalized exercise plan to improve my cardiovascular fitness and strength. This plan is focused on building strength, endurance, and overall health. So, for the cardiovascular conditioning, I'll do a 3 to 5 cardio sessions a week to keep my heart healthy. My target heart rate is 165 bpm during the workout and 117 bpm during rest. I monitor intensity using the RPE scale, aiming for a challenging yet manageable level. So in each sessions, it includes 7 minutes of warm-up, 30 minutes of moderate intensity or continuous exercise on a treadmill, and 4 minutes of cool down. So moving on to my muscular resistance training. So for the muscular resistance training for strength, I'll train for 3 to 5 times a week with exercise like squats, pull-ups, and deadlifts. Each sessions last about 60 minutes and I do 3 sets of 10 reps, lifting 75 to 85% of my 1 rep max and use the RPE scale to maintain a moderate to hard intensity. Warm up and cool down also are warm up and cool down are also included to prevent any injury. So cool down exercises and warm up exercises are a must before and after every training. So to summarize this exercise prescription, so this prescription that I made, it offers a balanced approach to improving cardiovascular and muscular fitness. The use of MICE for cardiovascular conditioning and compound movements for resistance training ensures that I am working toward a comprehensive improvement in health. So by abiding or following in this plan, it helps balances my cardio and strength training, and it helps me improve fitness and overall health. That's it. Thanks for listening.